Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of not showing the number of messages in WhatsApp or any other application next to the application icon, whether it is WhatsApp or any other application, an easy and simple way, just from your phone settings. Now, before going into the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel, and I hope from the heart that you get everything you wish for. Now let's go to the steps we do, which is go to the settings, then we search for notifications and click on them. Click on notifications, then click on the application icon sign. Then, as you can see here, all the applications you have to show the number of messages next to the application icons. All you have to do is activate this option. When you deactivate it, you will not see any number of messages. If you want to show you the number of messages next to the icon, activate it. Only through this simple process, we can solve the problem. For any problems, any inquiries, any suggestions, any tips, of course, write them in the comments.